This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Pi and power. Do this now. Install Raspberry Pi OS, update packages, and enable I2C or the serial port in Raspi config. Make sure your LiDAR's power requirements match a 5V stable supply, otherwise use an external regulator. Once done, connect ground between Pi and LiDAR first, then data lines. If your LiDAR uses USB, plug it into a powered hub. Next, install Python 3, pip, and build essentials, so drivers will compile cleanly. Now, wire and configure the interface step by step. For UART, cross TX and RX and confirm common ground. Use a level shifter if the LiDAR uses 5V logic. For USB devices, confirm/dev/tty USB 0 appears after plugging in. Then, install the vendor SDK or a common library like PySerial. Clone example code to speed testing. Set the serial baud rate to the device default, often 115,200. Finish by running example scripts and integrating with your stack. If you use ROS, enable the correct node and frame ID. Otherwise, plot scans with Matplotlib to confirm ranges and angles. Make sure timestamps and frame rate match your application, and calibrate angular offset if scans appear rotated. If no measurements appear, first recheck wiring and common ground, then verify device permissions with sudo or chmod on /dev/tty*, and confirm power and baud settings. Those 4 checks solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.